Hello, traders. I've got a stock that looks great right now, and I'll explain how I found it and why I like it. Subscribe to my channel now and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any of these daily trades. You'll help me build my channel, and I'll help you build your account. Hello, traders. Let's take a look at yesterday's pick. Incredible. AMAT. Bullish flag formation. Yesterday, showed you the video. Stock was at about 111.75. Going to the 5-minute chart. That's 2 hours into trading right there. 111.75. Stock up $7 today. I think it keeps going. Shortage of semiconductors. Really nice looking play. This is a stock that you can hang on to. Take some profits, obviously, on this move higher. But I think that you can take a little bit of money off the table. TSM, another beautiful stock that I highlighted earlier this week. Same premise, shortage of chips. Look at that move higher from this level all the way up to here. That I believe was about a $10 move. Really nice. BIDU. Let's take a look at that one. That was highlighted a week ago Friday. Look at that move. Unbelievable move higher. Really nice picks in there. Now, let's show you the bad. JMIA. I showed you this one. Stock has not gone anywhere. I showed you this a couple days ago. It hasn't done anything. So this is kind of a dog, but the market also has been pretty soft. Final one, NET. To be fair, I do not hold over earnings. Stock didn't do much right in here, just kind of flatlined after I highlighted it, so it didn't go anywhere, but it did drop after the number. I don't trade earnings because for 15 years I've tried to devise an earnings system. I've tried every strategy, buying premium, selling premium, all sorts of indicators, you name it. And my conclusion is that I am much better off looking for opportunities before the number and after the number and just general opportunities than I am looking for these earnings plays. It's hit and miss. I'd say I was probably about 50-50. That's no good. So don't trade earnings. Don't hold over the number. It is a pure gamble. Anyway, let's continue our research. I got some picks that I want to show you today. And I also want to talk about the market. I always start with the market. Yesterday, I'd mentioned to you right about in here, I said, okay, we've come in and we've made a double bottom. And I said, this to me looks like we're able to hold the gain from the prior day off of the low. And the market is starting to compress a little bit. I said, I think that the market's going to try and drift higher. I'm happy to see that there is some support above the low from Wednesday. However, please go back and check the video on this. I said what I don't want to see is I don't want to see another test of this low, because if we see a test of that low, we are going to take out that low because this is where buyers are, and a drop below it will trigger sell stops, and you'll see a long red candle. That's exactly what happened right there. Now, once we took out that low, we had to establish a higher low. We did, and it was higher than the low from Wednesday, and the market was gradually grinding back throughout the course of the day. This morning, in my comments before the open, I said I love the price action Wednesday and Thursday. We had to test the bid. We successfully did that. Buyers will be encouraged. Look for a very, very brief down open on Friday and look for the market to move higher. I don't want blind faith here. I want you to go back and verify everything that I'm saying. In the description area of this video on YouTube, I have a link to my Twitter feed. Please click it. Go and read my market comments. Look, and you will see that they were posted before the market opened. So what happened today? Very brief little drop, little consolidation in here. I mentioned to my members, this is a bearish 10P cross. We want this to be benign, meaning that it's indicating that there is some market selling pressure. We want this to drop and we want the market to move higher. As soon as we broke out above the high of the day right here with the indicator dropping, this is what we call a bullish divergence. I bought futures here and I sold them here. The market is going to continue to move higher. I also mentioned in my comments I thought we had a good chance to make a new all-time high before a 3-day weekend. Again, everything that I do on this channel is to prove to you that the research is good, that the systematic approach works. I want you to have confidence so that when you come in and take the 2-week trial, you're excited to do so. So now let's take a look at some picks that are setting up for today. Got a couple of really interesting ones. Haven't quite decided on what my pick of the day would be. CHWY. I highlighted this about a week and a half ago. There's your bullish flag right there, but the stock had a lot of long tails above and beyond, above and below the candlestick. But I said this is a bullish flag that's setting up. Moved a little bit higher. Look at that breakout to a new all-time high today. I like this one. I have been long it as well. And take a look at anything else here that might be coming up. We've got the bullish flag formation here, so I'm going to go through CRNT. I really like this one. There's your bullish flag right there. Downward sloping trend line. See how we're up above it? This is on the bullish flag search. All of these searches are an Option Stalker. I've made it super easy for you to find these high probability setups because I designed them for me. I just added this one about 3 weeks ago. Man, has it been killer good. That's why I've been focusing on it recently. I like this one. This could be my pick of the day. It's not a very liquid stock, but I really like the setup. So, symbol CRNT, really good volume in here. I think this is going to be my bullish pick of the day. Let's continue to go down. MRNA, not too crazy about that. Nuon, don't really like that. Down after earnings, not too crazy about that. Let's go into the heavy buying list and see what we've got here. QS, nice breakout through horizontal resistance. It's been kind of a dog though. You can see this tight compression here. Is this just an oversold bounce? Don't know. I would like to see some follow through on it. So early on that one, CRWD, I think I highlighted this one yesterday. I really like this one. Look at that bullish flag right there. There's your downward sloping trend line. There's your flagpole breaking out to a new high. CRWD, really like that one. And I may be finishing on that one because I'm going to click through some of these, see if there's anything else that I like. And WDC, another one that's been really strong. VERU, also a nice little bit of a bullish flag here. Nice breakout there, horizontal breakout. This one's got excellent head of steam. Earnings before the open there. That's why the B is there. Sells off after earnings. Quickly finds support. Bullish hammer starting to move higher. I think VERU looks really nice for a good day trade. BNGO, that's nice. Look at that. BNGO, look at that breakthrough right there on horizontal resistance. Yeah, I like this one too. Heavy volume, excellent. There's a bullish flag right there going higher. That one looks good too. That's GoGo. MOS, you had Bungie, BG, symbol. Reported record soybean sales, big profits. MOS, they are a fertilizer producer, potash specifically. Yes, I think this stock could actually do pretty well too. And I got a couple of others that I'm going to show you very quickly. BYND. I really like BYND. There's your flagpole, pulls back pretty hard, downward sloping trend line. BYND looks really good. 225, got a little bit of time to play this one. I like BYND. I like the support level right here. If you're a put seller, you can sell below this horizontal support here, but you don't have much time because earnings are on 225. So you might just have to day trade this one from the long side. Let's see what else we've got here. And the other one I want to show you, now this one is very illiquid. The stock is not very liquid. The options are super illiquid. So this would have to be kind of a longer term play for you, but I think that it shows a lot of potential. That's why I'm going to show it to you. I am in on this one. This is iRobot. You can see bullish flag formation. Stock is through it. There's your earnings announcement after the close. Stock has been able to move higher. Look at the upside. Can go to 192 from 134. I wouldn't load up on it for liquidity reasons, but I do like what I see in this particular chart. So let's go and take a look at what I'm going to highlight for the pick of the day. And I think I'm going to go with CRNT. I like Chewy. I like the new high there. I also like CRWD. If I had to pick one, let's take a look at the 5-minute chart on this. You can see nice there through the prior day's high. It's still got very good volume. I think this stock continues to go higher. I'm going to go into the stock ER and take a look at the option liquidity. Not bad, a rating of 6. That's actually quite good. So I think this is going to be the pick of the day. iRobot, BYND, CRWD, all very strong alternates. Have a good weekend. Thank you for watching this YouTube video. I'm Pete Stolzers, and I'm going to keep the trade ideas coming along with lots of education, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and please turn on your notifications so that you never miss another trade. If you like the content, please give it a thumbs up. I've loaded 2 other videos that I think you're really going to enjoy. Stay tuned. We'll see you soon.